Are you getting stuck on what kind of feet content to upload? Stick around and I will let you in on a secret. It's hard to think of what kind of feet content to upload and sell to your buyers, especially if the competition is high. Just remember, feet content is the core of what you are marketing to your audience. Now the question is, how do you address this problem? For today's video, I'm going to give you a pro tip on how to think of content that your buyers may actually be interested in. But first, please make sure to subscribe to our channel so you'll get updated whenever we post new videos. And now for the best part, what content is the right content? The easiest way is to consider creating feet content based on a specific feet category. That way you'll have a base guide on what to create and sell to your buyers. A few examples could be pedicured feet, natural feet, high heels, soles, hairy feet, big feet. With all these options and more, you probably already have an idea on what kind of content you want to post. And I suggest putting at least 3 photos in each category. That way you have a better chance at getting noticed. You can go to feetfinder.com to look at the profiles of top sellers. This way you can get an idea on what category is most likely trending. Remember to be resourceful and creative. Some buyers want pedicured feet. Therefore, you can take a photo before or after a pedicure. Others prefer natural feet. Some prefer pictures of wearing high heels. Some prefer feet pictures in high heels, stilettos, or wedges. Truth be told, heels can add a total oomph factor to one's feet. Don't judge a book by its cover. Some buyers have bizarre requests to sellers. They like big, hairy feet. If you don't think your content is working, then get adventurous and try something different. Feet photo buying and selling is not as hard as you think. You just need to explore all the resources that you have and let your feet wander. The ultimate goal is to be highly creative. Remember, this is your own business. Love it, invest time in it, and let your efforts earn you some real money. Still not convinced? You can watch our previous videos to research feet content, get customers, market your feet, and become a top seller. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and have a happy feet journey. Wishing you a happy and healthy exploration into whatever turns you on. Bye!